All right. Slides 81 through 85 have to do with the watch window. And so this just lets us see different parts of the workbook all at one time, like the workbook, because we may have multiple sheets and we want to see what's happening. Okay, so we're going to open up the watch window, and of course we're going to save this as the solution. Okay. We are going to start by clicking the Formulas tab, and then in the Formula Auditing group, we're going to click Watch Window, this little guy right here. Okay. So it was asking us, what do we want to watch? And we're going to have this. We're going to update this. We're going to lock in that we want to continue to watch A1000 and click Add. And then we're going to watch CA1. We're going to add watch again. It says press F3. So not the F and the 3 key, but the F3 key all the way up the top of your keyboard. And then it says watch me 1. Okay. I'm now on slide 83. It says to press this again, and we're gonna again go to F3, and we're gonna do the watch me 2 and the watch me 3. Oh, that's not what I wanted to open up. Okay. Widen column widths and resize the watch window to display all data as necessary. See the figure on the next slide. Okay, it says click B2 and try entering a variety of values and observe the changes to the values in the watch window. Oh, our values are changing. Things are happening. Okay. Reopen. Oh. All right, save the workbook. Now it says to close Excel. We're going to open this back up, and my watch window popped open right away. If yours does not, then you simply go to Formulas and click Watch Window again. Oh, no, sorry, it says reopen the original. No watches should be listed on the original because we put them on the new one. Okay. Our last one here, reopen the solution. Yep, they should be listed. Save. We're good. Okay, this one's all done.